Okay, so I got a call. Anyways, so what happens? Weight is acting downwards and there is a component along this way. Because pani efale flow kori ase and weight will also act in this manner. It will act downward. Aru kintu because of the flowing liquid, it will have a component of weight. A2 side to component eta thakibo. That is W cos theta and this is W sin theta along the flow. Now, if you consider this section, jodi section to okol dharu, then water is trying to put a pressure on this manner, aru with F1 force, okay, aru water is trying to put F2 force, so that this water means this liquid is in equilibrium, okay. So ki kori ase, suppose এইটো যদি আমি এটা কাৰ্টেছিয়ান কোঅৰ্ডিনেট লওঁ তো fx equals to 0 কৰি আছে জাষ্ট এইটো ইকুইলিব্ৰিয়াম ৰাখি আছে ইকুইলিব্ৰিয়ামত ৰৈ আছে so এতিয়া what we need to know is that weight component along flow that I have explained w যদি তললে কৰি আছে act then w cos theta is along the theta and w sin theta is along the flow এতিয়া W is the specific weight, okay? Ki hobo W specific weight mane jetia ami W sin theta to gom palo je it is acting along the direction of the flow. So W to how can we write this W in terms of wetted area and length of channel, okay? So hetu likhibole hole W can be written as specific weight. এইটো মই আগতেও বুজাইছোঁ ডিউৰিং প্ৰেছাৰ মেজাৰমেণ্ট ক্লাছেছ চ' এইটোত বুজাইছিলোঁ যে W weight is actually specific weight into volume, okay? Volume is A into L. So weighted area into length of channel. Fine. So A বস্তুটো it's trying to bring the flow down. Now what is resisting it? Resistance কোনে দি আছে? Resistance is provided by the surface. So surface a key type of resistance provide koribo, it will provide frictional resistance that is from the shear stress. So shear stress let us consider as tau naught, that is average shear stress, PL. So PL perimeter into length, that is area, okay? Frictional forces, so frictional resistance to amar iman hol, that is tau naught PL. So this is area, this is stress, okay? So we got the force paisa ami because stress into area hoy ase, okay? So this is force, this is also force because weight or kotha koi aso. So we will just do what, this is 2, this is 1, we will equate both, okay? So tau naught etu equate korilu, so tau naught equals to f v square. Now what is f? F is dependent on friction, okay? It depends on the material, it depends on the nature of flow. Yat jetia tau naught er jagat f v square dilu, right? V is velocity, then just rearrangement korisu, v square equals to WAL sin theta by FPL, okay? So after that what we see is velocity ulabole hole v square asile no, it was v square equals to WAL sin theta by FPL, then this becomes root over W by F into root over A by P sin theta, okay? Ki hol just lo anilo what ki korilu LL kata gol, A by P efale anilo, W by F efale nilu, A by P logot sin theta rakhi tholu aru square root di dilu. So this term root over W by F is C. C is called Chassis constant. So Chassis constant is dependent upon the roughness of the channel surface. Aru Reynolds number. Roughness because it friction or logot related hai. Friction is related to roughness. It's not smoothness. Bujhi paisa ne? Smoothness নহয় friction. কিহৰ কাৰণে friction থাকিলে resistance provide কৰিব, resistance কিহে provide কৰিব পাৰিব when the surface is rough, right? So Chassis constant is dependent on roughness of the channel and ইয়াৰ যোনটো sin theta আহিছে it is actually the bed slope, okay? Bed slope আৰু theta sin theta একে হয় when theta is very negligible, when it is very negligible. Aru A by P we have already known, this is hydraulic radius. Now what is Q? It is V palu. Jodi V palu, then we can get the discharge also, since Q equals to VA. Okay, so V is C root over R. This is R. A by P is R. C, this is C. Okay, this is C, this is root R, and this is S. So CA root over RS. Just this is the formula for discharge. Jetia constant slope hoy, whenever there is a constant slope theta, then this Q is directly proportional to K. K actually ki hoy, K we put this entire term up to this point inside K. So K is called the conveyance of the channel. Convey koribo paribo. Suppose one message comes from this point and it has to be transmitted to this point. So ki hoise, we are conveying some information. Just like that, whenever there is a flow to be happen, okay, when there has to happen a flow, then ki hobo lagibo, it has to move from a higher point to a lower point. Now convey koribo lagibo. This fluid over here has to be conveyed to this point. So whenever we see that this conveyance is more, if the conveyance is more, then the discharge is also more, and conveyance is dependent upon the area, Chezy's roughness coefficient, and the hydraulic radius. So this C term, this Chezy's constant term, how do we find that? That is possible if we use empirical formula. Some means we have talked about Bazin's formula also last time. So if we talk about Bazin's formula, so this is just simply C equals to 157.6 divided by 181 plus K by root over R. Okay, so this K is not the same K. Okay, this is conveyance K and this is Bazin's constant. So this Bazin's constant can have different values for different surface types, right? So after that, there is another formula other than Bazin's formula, that is Manning's formula. Manning's is C equals to 1 by N R to the power 1 by 6. So this N is called Manning's coefficient or constant, and rugosity constant. Okay, this is also called as rugosity constant. Now what happens? So far we know that V equals to C root over RS. Okay, so if we put this here, so we can see that C jagat 1 by N R to the power 1 by 6. Then we had previously 1 root over R eta asile no, a root over R to ahi at S, it will get added as half. Okay, half S to the power 1 by 2. So the final formula for velocity of Manning's formula is V equals to 1 by N R to the power 2 by 3 S to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so that is the derivation part. Now, so by this manner we can find what is a discharge. Okay, so I will be moving on to the next video, wherein we will talk about most economical section.